In this video, we will explain our professional process to edit screenshot text accurately, securely, and with a natural final result. Screenshots are often used to capture important information from applications, websites, chats, dashboards, or documents. However, sometimes the text inside a screenshot needs to be corrected, updated, translated, or redesigned for better presentation. That is where our Edit Screenshot Text service becomes valuable. Our workflow begins with a detailed inspection of the screenshot. We carefully analyze the existing typography, including the font family, font weight, size, color, line spacing, and alignment. We also examine the background texture, gradients, shadows, and any UI elements that intersect with the text area. This analysis ensures that any modification will integrate seamlessly with the original design. To edit screenshot text properly, the first technical step is removing the old or incorrect text without damaging the surrounding pixels. We use precise selection and cleanup tools in Adobe Photoshop to reconstruct the background. This may involve content-aware reconstruction, cloning, and manual patching so the edited region retained the same visual noise, blur level, and lighting. Once the area is clean, we recreate the text layer. We match the original font as closely as possible, or we build a custom text style that visually aligns with the UI system of the screenshot. We then set exact values for kerning, tracking, baseline shift, and anti-aliasing, so the new text blends naturally with the remaining content. Color accuracy is also critical when we edit screenshot text. Before final delivery, each edited screenshot goes through a quality check. We zoom in to inspect edges, spacing, and color consistency. We compare the modified version with the original to confirm that the update is invisible to casual viewing and consistent under close inspection. Turnaround is managed through an organized workflow to ensure timely delivery without sacrificing precision. Even with tight deadlines, we maintain the same standards for typography matching, background reconstruction, and overall visual coherence. If you need to edit your screenshot for accuracy, presentation, or documentation, our process is designed to produce a clean, natural, and professional result. We combine manual Photoshop techniques, attention to typographic detail, and strict file privacy to deliver dependable outcomes. If you want your screenshot updated so the changes look seamless and authentic, you can contact us anytime for a secure and precise Edit Screenshot Text service.